All right, Coach Tony, over 50 men's fitness. Now I realize a lot of men over 50 years old go through stress. Stress is huge, but alleviating that stress needs to be done in a positive way. So today I'm going to show you, using the heavy bag, how you can alleviate stress. Now I'm out in my garage. You can kind of tell it's kind of dark, dungeon-like. But, this is where I come to alleviate stress on various bags that I have. I have a heavyweight bag, double-end bag, speed bag, and a jump rope, and do other things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out, because if your joints aren't conditioned, and for an older man, it takes about 16 weeks or so to really condition your tendons and your ligaments. So if your joints aren't conditioned, you want to start hitting the bag light. You really don't want to hit it super hard or anything. And you want to slowly condition yourself, and you can hit it a little bit harder as time goes on so you don't have an injury, your elbows don't swell up, you don't have shoulder problems. Now, I just got through doing some bag work, and usually I do around 2,000 or so punches. And that's a good workout for me. I warm up first, do 2,000 punches. For others, it may be different. Sometimes I'll do 300 punches a round for 8 rounds and do 2,400 punches. In any case, I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to show you. You start off, when I call it pity pat, you hit light. Then I'm going to hit it a little bit harder. Then I'm going to do a few flurries. And then I'm going to end with some power punches, which are my favorite because, again, you're alleviating stress. So you want to take that stress out on the bag. Let's go. Pity pat. A little bit harder. Flurries. Then you want to hit those power punches. Up top. That's how you want to take your stress out. Much more positive. Coach Tony, check out the description. I have something for you down there. And I'll see you on the next one.